Yo, yo, what is happening, my peoples? All right, check this out. I got a microphone here, right? I got a webcam coming. I'm getting silly with this YouTube stuff. So, hey, I really appreciate a lot of the support that I've been getting. The people that you guys you're liking the content, you're commenting. It means a lot, so keep that going. If you're new to the channel, welcome. This is Beach Office 365, where I bring you the latest and greatest in DeFi, crypto, and passive income. Again, would love to hear from you. And if you're thinking about getting into Drip, man, I got to tell you, it is a community that has just been full of love. Like even on YouTube, like there's a lot of people that are doing YouTube videos on Drip. I follow a lot of YouTubers. They're starting to watch some of my stuff and they're giving me support. And it's not even competition in terms of, the referral stuff. Like, use mine, use someone else's. Like we're all just trying to like get in Drip and make that sleep money, right? You saw the title of the thing. We're going to make that sleep money that you earn while you're sleeping. That is what real passive income is. So anyway, I got some stuff that I was thinking about. I was looking at, and I had done this once on another video, but I wanted to jump right in just in terms of looking at, look, all right, the price of Drip, not looking so hot, but it's not awful. Look, we have a solid support at this 30 level. Right. Do I think it's going to go back down there? I don't actually. I think we're going to get some news coming soon that is just going to start, moving this thing, pumping this thing up. But I was looking at something. If you go over to the DripFi app, which is super cool. If you go over to the DripFi app, and you have to enter your wallet. Right. And a lot of people use this. So, I believe it's safe. I enter my wallet information. There's a calculator part in it. Right. And I wanted to kind of go over in terms of, I think the price is at what, 33 right now. Is that can't be right. What's the price? Something about, yeah, okay, yeah, this is right. Okay, sorry about that. All right, so if you go over here, all right, the price is 33. All right, this is my information. It auto populates this, even though I'm not connected to the wallet. I just was, so I must have disconnected. But anyway, we can work off of this. So I got 184 Drip in here. Let's just do, right, so basically this is what I have, right? I'm earning 1.5 Drip a day, which is about 50 bucks. All right. The principal was a lot more than this, but the price is down. Right. So, I'm down on this basically. But I do believe in the protocol itself. And I really believe in the power of the compounding. That's what I wanted to go over with you guys today. So, if we look at what it's going to look like, all right, if I'm going to do a whole year here where I hydrate 5 days and then I then I claim two days. Okay. So if I'm doing that, and the reason why I would claim is because I'm trying to build up my team and I want to be providing airdrops all the time. So I want to be giving Drip away, spreading the love. And so that's why I would be claiming 2 days. So I could just give that Drip away. That's the point of that. But if we hit, if I do that for 365 days, I will have, and the price stays the same, it doesn't do anything. I will have almost $2,500 in Drip, totaling, it's basically $82,000 of Drip, right? So the 2,500 Drip is, yeah, that would be making me $662 a day. All right, let's quickly do the math on that. Right. So what are we talking about here? Sorry, I'm busting out the calculator because I'm not good at math. Folks, that's almost 20 grand a month. Think you could live off 20 grand a month? Right. That's life-changing. That really is. That is life-changing. 20 grand a month. If I just stay the course as is, right? nothing happens to the price, right? I could be making 20 grand a month and giving away lots of drip, bringing more people in, you know, that's pretty cool. Now here's what's interesting, excuse me. Let's say the price drops. What if the price of drip just tumbles down to $10? But I do the same thing. I'm going to keep everything here the same. All right. $10. Everyone's screaming, pissed off, right? Well, all right. I still have the almost 2,500 drip, and that's worth almost 25 grand, right? I'd be making $200 a day. All right, do the math on that. I don't need a calculator for that one. I know this. That's 6,000 a month. That's pretty good. I mean, think of what your life would be like if you just had an extra $6,000 a month, that all you did to get that, right, was basically clicking your mouse a couple times a day, right? And then it's just accumulating while you sleep, making that sleep money, right? Now, here's something really interesting. This really will show the power of compounding. This is me doing it, 5 days a week and claiming 2. Let's say you want to hydrate every day, just compound every day for a year, right? Watch what happens if you just add 2 days to this. Boom. Look at that. It more than doubles, right? You would have $58,000 worth of drip. You'd be earning $470 a day. All right. Let's do the math. I need the calculator for that. 470 a day times 30, 14 grand a month. That's what you'd be making passively. An extra 14 grand on top of all the other DeFi projects you're in, and maybe you're still working, maybe you started another business, whatever it is, just an extra 14 grand. I mean, that's a baller ass weekend in Vegas, right? I mean, that's pretty dope. So anyway, folks, I thought this was cool. Definitely think it's worth heading over to this. I'll leave this link, DripFi app calculator, and check it out. Like, it's cool to just look at, you know what I mean, like how compounding works and what happens over time. And like and subscribe. Let me know what you think of this. Let's get this money. Join my team. I would love to have you on it. Let me know if you need any help on how to set up your MetaMask wallet and all that stuff. I'll leave my buddy address. You just copy, paste, boom, you're in. Beautiful day here. I'm looking at the beach right now, and that's where I'm heading. So talk to you guys soon, and thanks for watching all the way to the end. Appreciate you.